dumper today. That's gonna be fun. What's going on, baby? Bureau of Land Management. Got the maps, got the necessary data, beta, depends on how cool you are. And my initial route that I kind of had planned was gonna be a no-go. I guess everything over 5,000 feet is muddy and snowy still. So we're gonna take a different route to get to Toroweap. But I picked up a nice $12 map. All right, here we are, folks. It never surprises me that somehow or another, even for just a 3-4 day trip, way more shit than I can fit. It's way heavier than it should be. The flight helmet's a pain in the ass because I have to take that for work, which occupies almost the entire top box. But it's like every time, how do I end up with more stuff than what I've got room for? We're about to roll out of here, and once we get to steamboat, stovepipe, Pipe Springs, that's what it is, Pipe Springs. Them there are the mountains that make up Zion National Park. And they're off in the distance, a good, what, 60 miles, 40 miles. For another time. Now back yonder, just down this hill, is the little town of Hurricane, spelled hurricane. It's just crazy. It feels like we're driving through the Grand Canyon already, you know, all of this terrain down here is just, you know, Grand Canyon-esque. And this is why it takes all day long to get anywhere when you're adventure bike riding, because you got so much gear to deal with. And sometimes you just unexpectedly discover incredible stuff that you've got to stop and capture. So FYI, you gotta have a backcountry permit. It can be purchased here at the Pipe Springs National Monument. I knew that there was a camping fee, but I didn't realize you actually had to apply for a backcountry permit. So this is the first time I've ever gotten a backcountry national park permit. Only one other time I've had a permit was for up in the Trinity Alps in California, just a state permit, I think it was. But park ranger was concerned about my motorcycle, whether or not it would be capable of traveling with on a trail that's made for high clearance vehicles. So I told her that it climbs over mountains. So I've been warned. It's a good distance from here down to there, what, 40, maybe 60 miles, I can't remember, but here we go. Alright, gang, just turned off the Toroweap exit. Man, I need a good camera for this stuff. That's maybe one of the first draws that leads right down into the Grand Canyon, but we're going to be venturing into that more. We are at the Trumbull, well, I guess the Mount Trumbull, yeah, this way, Mount Trumbull. Turn off that way it'll take you to Fredonia, 50 miles. Fredonia, I'm not sure that's right. We're hauling ass down here. Hopefully this damn camera quits glitching out.
before?
No.
No, you haven't? Well, you're in for a treat.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a permit.
Oh, awesome. Let me see that. You're gonna camp?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Could I have bought that here if I'd gotten here?
We don't really do that because we can't process the payment.
Yeah. That's not it.
We're totally offline. So.
Are you guys here 24/7?
Yeah.
365?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, we're open all the time.
Hopefully there's a campsite down there.
There are. Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, it says here no fires, no
No fires.
grills.
I've just got a little burner.
Okay, that's perfect. Propane,
Awesome.
Totally good. 5 miles down the road. The Overlook is 6.
Okay.
The road is good for 4 miles, and then the last 2 get pretty rough. You're welcome to choose any campsite that is unoccupied.
Okay.
Like that.
Right.
And there's the Saddle Horse Loop Trail, which is a 45-minute nice and easy kind of thing.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I don't think I'll venture too far from the parking spot, maybe a half mile if that, but hopefully the sunset will be pretty cool, and then the sunrise should be pretty awesome,
Yes,
huh?
yes, they're always great. My favorite time of day.
Perfect. What was your name?
Jackie.
Jackie?
Yes.
Awesome. Nice job down here, by the way.
Thank you
Enjoy
very much.
your outpost.
Oh, I do.
Beautiful.
It's incredible,
Jackie.
isn't it?
Awesome.
Have fun.
All right, take care. Holy fuck! Woo! Hope we don't get too much gnarlier. That was fucking hairy. Wow! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I take back what I was saying about that I was afraid I wouldn't be impressed. Well, look at this. Whoa! Woo! Oh my God! What? Look at this! Wow! Yeah, it's an off-road trail over there. I gotta go have a look. This is insane. There's still another mile. Okay, there's the campground. Sweet. Even though she's so freaking massive, she just kind of eases along. challenge is coming back up, that much I can tell you, but hopefully nothing too serious. Oh my god, you guys, we are descending into the Grand Canyon, carved by the Colorado River. Unbelievable. Golly. Oh my god. This is so sick. They built a road out here, man. I mean, for real. There didn't have to be a road out here. That's unbelievable over there. 450 feet. Alright. Well, we should be over there. Yeah. That's where I'm going to dump her over. If I'm going to dump her today, that right there was going to be the spot. So let's see if I can get over here. Oh, come on, baby. That's fine. You gotta keep going. Hey. Oh. Fucking ledge right there. Well, I think we've made it. That's it. There you are, baby. You made it. Upright too, by the way. Nice job. Oh my god. What? Sick. Oh.